Hello everyone, this is the order I recently got. Let's look at them. This is the hair crunchy. I added all the flowers around this. This gives really a wonderful look to your hair. And this is the small hair tie with tulips. And also I made evil eye keychain that you can add to any of your bags. And this is the sunflower clock ledge. I made two sunflowers and added both sides so that you can see from the both sides when you attach to your hair. Yeah, now you can see Daisy clock clip. Here also I made two flowers to attach both the sides. And the clip is really stiff and strong. And I also made tulip clock clip. See, and this is tulip clock clip. It's perfect for adding a colorful look to your hairstyle. Yeah, now I'm packing the order. All the crochet items carefully before sending them to the customer. Each item is checked and packed neatly for delivery. This is how I pack all my orders. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and share for more videos. Please keep supporting.